Good morning. Hopefully yesterday you took the opportunity to do some notes. Watch yesterday's video. If you would like a lot of help with that, I have a copy of the notes I've placed in two places. And it's pretty easy to do, and I really give you a lot of help of where to look in the textbook pages for those notes for slide 3. Today we should be working on slide 4. So we want to find our chapter 8 book questions. We want to open up our slides. A couple of you still aren't doing this. When you open anything in Google, it gives you a preview, and if you start editing here, it creates a PDF, which makes it very hard to write on. So we want to push the arrow in the upper right corner, the square arrow, the squareo. All right, so Mookie has not been doing a great job keeping up. If you have been keeping up, going on my pacing, Thursday we did slide 1, Monday we did slide 2, yesterday we did slide 3, today we're doing slide 4. If you're behind, go watch older videos. We have until Friday to actually get this done, which is why this assignment is going on the third marking period. So I want to split screen with the textbook if I'm doing slide 3. So I'm going to pull up Google Classroom next to the slides, X, down arrow, and the red textbook document. I'm going to go to section 3, which is about human ancestry. All right, so question 1, how long ago did humans and chimpanzees share an ancestor? So humans and chimps are both primates. We have some traits in common, like opposable thumbs and forward vision, but this chimp-human question is actually on this page, and we're looking for a year. And what structure allows us to walk upright where our other primate cousins can't? The picture is really focused on that structure that is in a different shape for us that makes it easy for us to stand up. What evidence shows that Australopithecine walked upright? So one of the oldest upright walking ancestors is Australopithecine. Now, much older ancestors of the whole group would be called prosimians. Like lemurs, these early monkeys have some traits like us, but are missing a lot of traits. So but one of the oldest ancestors to walk upright was Australopithecine. Again, pictures are very helpful. This picture shows the evidence of that upright walking and gives you the age of the evidence. 13. What are two big accomplishments of Homo erectus? So we skip Homo habilis, handyman. You'll hopefully talk about them in the notes you took. Homo habilis, handyman, was called the tool maker, the handyman, because it made stone tools. Homo erectus also did that. And in this paragraph, they did many other things, some things better than current modern humans. So there's a lot here. What we want to say is things that are new. And so there's more than two accomplishments you could talk about. Next up, what traits distinguish Neanderthal from previous hominids? So we can't say anything that Homo erectus did. So all the cool stuff Homo erectus did, that's nice, and Neanderthal did all the same things, but Neanderthal did more. So you have to find what Neanderthal did that was more. Or what, not just what they did, but traits about them, physical traits. Now, why did they disappear? That's also in this paragraph. That's really tricky to answer, and so the video I have attached helps with that. Now, where did Homo sapiens originate? You've got to look down here. The evidence has gone back and forth over the years, but the conclusion your book came to is the conclusion that we've much more solidly landed on as far as the origin of Homo sapiens. Now, Homo sapiens are species before culture. We just call them Cro-Magnons. I'm not exactly sure why, but that just means regular humans. And they left behind artifacts. So you need to look here at all the different kinds of artifacts we left behind. Now, this book is a little outdated in some of its features and ideas, and we'll talk more about that later. But I highly encourage you to watch this video if you finish. So you could open the link, if we hit the side arrow, and open the link in YouTube, or the other way to get to the video is it's the third video attachment here in Google Classroom. I will also post this video on my blog, and as always, I will Zoom. If you forget where the Zoom is, it's an assignment. It's the Life Science Zoom link, and then you launch the meeting. It's right there waiting for you. You don't have to Zoom during your class period. 1st through 7th, I'm available. and I will help answer questions if you are stuck on something. I will definitely be grading old work, and so if you have questions about old work, coming into Zoom is also helpful. If you're going to email me, please be precise and name what you want help with. I've gotten a few emails at like 9 p.m. like, I need help, Mr. H, or I can't do my work, or without specifics, I can't even begin to help you. And asking me during the school day is much more likely to get a helpful answer than at 9 o'clock because I'm an old bugger and I'm going to bed. So I hope to see you tomorrow. If I don't see you tomorrow, I hope to see you Friday or Monday. Good luck.